Good morning.
Good morning.
We're going to do the Instagram tour today. We're going to take a lot of cute pictures. Our driver and tour guide is already downstairs, so we're late.
Yeah, so let's get to it.
We made it to our first stop. We're at a waterfall. It's drizzling. He went to go get us ponchos, but I'm glad I didn't do my makeup because I don't know how that would have worked out in the rain.
And there's only 3 of us here.
Yes.
And this place is always crowded, so come when it's raining and come early in the morning. That's my advice.
Talk to me nice, talk to me honestly. Look in my eyes, don't let it fall on me. Say you're a good guy, make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it. See how rewind, when we rewind, feels so nice. We time, you I know how to make me feel right. I can't help.
Waterfall number 3
Waterfall number 3.
has way more people.
That's because
And
we had to go look for an ATM because we didn't bring enough cash.
nope. So that took a lot of time out of it, and it's real muddy, y'all.
But it was storming this morning.
Yeah, it was raining.
This sweet talk, I'm already on my way. I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm cutting through all the lanes.
Okay.
We will see later on.
So how much rice grows with just one plant?
10 or 15 cd.
Oh, okay.
Andrea loves rice, like loves rice, like could eat rice with anything. So this is the only reason she cares so much about how rice is grown, because the girl could eat rice all day, every day. How often can you eat rice, Andrea? All day, every day? A whole bunch.
Or in
Hey, sweet talk, you need to say less to me. Don't need for no flowers, babe. I'm already on my way, on my way. Why you blushing? Yeah, sweet concussion. Oh, you miss my touching. Good do. Show me something. Give me more than one thing. I need more than less than I do. Say you're a good guy. Make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it. See how rewind, when we rewind, it feels so nice. I can't help how this sweet talk. I'm already
We finished all 3 waterfalls. They were absolutely amazing. Like beautiful, breathtaking, what I expected. It was what I expected. I didn't expect the walks, but you know, we're so hungry now and we stopped here for lunch. So we're gonna have our little lunch break and then we're gonna head to the next stop.
my way. I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm gliding through all the lanes. Sweet talk, you need to say less to me. No need for no flowers, babe. I'm already on my way, on my way. We've been dancing all night long, right here with you way too long. Don't want nothing here or now, but I'm done waiting, down wasting my time. Got this sweet talk, I'm already on my way. I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm cutting through all the lanes. Sweet talk.
Well, she's doing the swing, so. We're at the swings, and y'all know how I feel about heights, and no.
This girl is screaming to the top of her lungs like she is so scared.
Andrea's gonna do this. I'm not
There's
doing
a
this.
smaller one that the little boy's on too.
Yeah, I'm gonna do the really small, cute ones because that is not for me.
You don't need to say less to me. No need for no flowers, babe. I'm already on my way, on my way.
How you feel? How you feel?
Nauseous.
You didn't even swing yet.
That's the
You
problem.
didn't even sit down yet. Tell your mama you love her. Tell her you love her.
I love you, mama.
your hand, big hand.
We've been dancing all night long, riding with you way too long. Don't want nothing here or now, but I'm done waiting, done wasting my time. Got this sweet talk, I'm already on my way. I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm cutting through all the lanes, sweet talk.
Hey, I cannot believe that Devontae actually just did the swing, y'all. Like, I'm so proud of her. Dev, I'm proud of you.
I'm proud of me too.
We're not even going that high. The other one was higher?
Yeah.